everyone, it's me, Pixie. Today we will learn multiplication by 10 and by 11. You'll see how easy these two multiplications are to do. Let's start with multiplication by 10. Are you ready? Rule: when you multiply any number by 10, just add a 0 to the end of the number. 10 times 1 equals 10. 10 times 2 equals 20. 10 times 3 equals 30. 10 times 4 equals 40. 10 times 5 equals 50. 10 times 6 equals 60. 10 times 7 equals 70. 10 times 8 equals 80. 10 times 9 equals 90. 10 times 10 equals 100. Let's move on! Multiplication by 11. Rule: when you multiply any number by 11 from 1 to 9, just write the same number twice. 11 times 1 equals 11. 11 times 2 equals 22. 11 times 3 equals 33. 11 times 4 equals 44. 11 times 5 equals 55. 11 times 6 equals 66. 11 times 7 equals 77. 11 times 8 equals 88. 11 times 9 equals 99. 11 times 10 equals 110. Homework challenge of the day. The result will be in the next video. Don't forget to pause the video and resolve the homework. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Jew Educational.